Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are starting a new series walking through the book. The name of the book is I Will Teach You to Be Rich by an American Indian author Ramit Sethi. In this video we are diving deep into chapter 1, mastering your money mindset and optimizing credit cards. These are the foundational steps you must take first, because without control over your credit card and your psychology, nothing else can work. By the end of this video, you will have actionable moves you can implement today to improve your financial health and start building your rich life. So let's get started. The author of the book begins with a simple reality. He says many personal finance books waste time discussing budgets. He says that the real leverage comes from mastering big wins. The example which he quotes says that wealthy people focus on $30,000 decisions, not $3 decisions. For example, negotiating your salary, optimizing fees, or fixing your credit score can make far more impact than skipping a coffee. Chapter 1 of the book sets the table by overhauling how you think about money and especially how you use credit. So let's break it down. The author calls it mastering your money mindset. Many of us hold invisible scripts, beliefs such as I don't deserve wealth or credit cards are evil. These myths hold us back. So, what is the solution? Accept responsibility. You control your money outcomes. Reframe credit. Credit cards can be useful tools if used wisely. Focus on progress, not perfection. Small action leads to endless results. What you need to do is write down one negative money belief you hold, rewrite it. I can learn to use credit responsibly. And number three is commit to one small credit related action this week. Check your score, evaluate fees, or call your bank. Changing that internal script makes everything else possible. Now let's discuss the nuts and bolts. Use credit cards smartly. They build credit, earn rewards, and act as an interest free float only if you pay the full balance each month. Now let's discuss what the author prescribes in order to use the credit cards more efficiently. Number one, pick the right credit cards. Choose just 2 to 3 cards with no fees and strong perks. For example, cashback, travel, etc. And match your spending. which can match your spending habits. Pick the number one is pick the right credit card. Number two is keep utilization low. Use only up to 30% of available credit limit. Request credit limit increases to improve utilization, and automate payments and clear balances in full. Number three is negotiate fee and charges. Call your bank to waive annual fees or lower rates. Be polite, long-time customer, and know your credit score. If denied, threaten to move the card. It often works. Number four is pay strategically. Make automatic monthly payments by due date. Pay off high interest cards first. Focus on eliminating one card at a time if you have multiple. Number five is earn rewards intelligently. Use cards for planned spending, not impulse buying. Redeem rewards regularly. Maximize sign up bonuses if switching new cards. Here is a scripted example. If you request your bank to waive your annual fee, you can write the bank, hi, this is, here you can write your name. I have been with your bank for 3 years and value the card. Would you consider waiving the $95 annual fee? I can move my business elsewhere if you don't. Now, that approach often gets results. Even with the system in place, people stall because of overwhelm. The author says that the enemy is not lack of knowledge, it's inaction. So he discusses some common mental barriers. He says that fear of calling the bank, anxiety about checking your credit score, and obsessive research paralysis often hold you back to negotiate your annual fees or lower the interest rate with the bank. So, what are the solutions? Number one, take imperfect action. View every call as an experiment. Automate even small payments to build momentum. You do not need to be perfect, you just need to start. Now let's discuss what is the action plan which the chapter 1 of the book suggests about managing and using credit cards efficiently. Number 1 is write down one money belief that is holding you back. Number 2, check your credit score or report. Let me write it for you. The action plan. Number one, write down the money belief that hold you down. Number two is check your credit score regularly. Number three is select 2 to 3 best credit cards. Number four is automate full money payments on each card. Number five is call your bank to negotiate fee or charges. Number six is track utilization and manage it below 30% of the available credit limit. Number seven, use card for recurring expenses to earn reward points. The bonus point which you can try is that write your rich life vision. What does living on your terms look like? Travel, flexibility, security. Use that to fuel your every next step. Chapter 1 lays the unshakable foundation for wealth by changing how you view money and how you use credit. These solutions may seem small, but they unlock massive financial potential. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, subscribe for chapter 2 next week, and comment below what is your first credit call going to be. Remember, freedom starts with mindset and small actions that compound. See you in the next video.